Maria is ready to do some online shopping. She goes to shop.raley's.com to get started and decides to shop for products on sale. As Maria scrolls through the items, she sees that she can filter by digital coupons to save even more on the product she wants to buy. While browsing online, Maria sees different icons on different products. The $5 day badge indicates that the product is on sale for $5, typically on Mondays only. The deal badge indicates that the product is specially on sale. When Maria is on a product page, she'll see SE offer badges. She can click in to read specifics about the offer and click to redeem. Finally, Maria also sees extra deals badges, indicating that there's more than one deal on this item, which may or may not require clipping. Hey look Maria, what a great find! New laid eggs have an SE offer icon on it. Maria adds them to her cart and clips the offer. Now Maria wants to know what other coupons are available for her to clip, so she goes to her personalized offers page. She finds a coupon that's just too good to pass up. A discount on her next fresh service deli purchase. She clicks on the offer to clip it, and while she's there, she's able to see what other items this offer applies to. She can even click View More to see the whole lot. Maria is almost ready to check out, but before she does, she goes to review her cart. Oops! Maria is notified that she forgot to clip a few coupons on the items in her basket. She clips them to get additional savings and clicks Checkout to continue. While Maria enters her delivery address and payment information, she sees that her offers have been applied to her final total, saving her even more money. Now she can sit back, relax, and enjoy the day as her groceries are picked and delivered straight to her home from Raley's.com.